This is a voice recording, and it's me, Classic. Thank you for everything you have done for me. This is my first time talking like this, but yeah. I don't know how long you're gonna see me, but I guess 3 years. 3 years, I guess. I just gonna miss you all. That's it. It's just, I just don't wanna be forgotten. I'm just leave. I am gonna just leave this voice message. Plus that my heart is pounding. I'm gonna shed a tear, but thank you. Thank you for everything you have done for me. All of it. I thank you.